Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and to another video. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm back with another Linjer unboxing. So first and foremost, I want to thank Linjer for giving me the opportunity to share this piece with you guys. Not only is it absolutely stunning, but it's something that I've been eyeing for the last year or so, and I feel super fortunate to have it in my collection. Now, if you're not familiar with Linjer, it's a sustainable fine jewelry brand that boasts long-lasting, luxury quality jewelry pieces at affordable prices. They make all of their jewelry with recycled metals, ethically sourced gemstones, and conflict-free lab-grown diamonds. Linjer's goal is to enable people to enjoy the finer things in life every day, and they do this through a direct-to-consumer sales model that allows them to keep their prices low. This means that when purchasing from Linjer, you can get luxury quality jewelry for less while also feeling confident that you're wearing both ethical and sustainable pieces. Now, this is my fourth piece from the brand, and I'm actually going to quickly go over all the other pieces that I have from them at the end of the video. But if you're interested in seeing them more in depth, I've tagged my most recent Linjer unboxing in the card above, so you can work back from there. So without further ado, let me reveal my newest Linjer piece. It is the Half-Diamond Tennis Bracelet in 14 karat yellow gold. Isn't that pretty? This stunning Half-Diamond Tennis Bracelet features a row of 29 round bezel set brilliant cut lab-grown diamonds on a 14 karat yellow gold chain. Each diamond has a width of 2 to 2.1 millimeters, and the total carat weight is 0.9 to 1 carat. The bracelet is 6 inches in length with a 1 inch extension, and it fits wrists measuring 4.75 to 6.5 inches in circumference. Like all other Linjer pieces, this piece comes with free shipping, 2-year warranty, 30-day returns, and luxury packaging. I think it is absolutely stunning. I feel so spoiled because this is my second bracelet in such a short period of time, and it's my first tennis bracelet. Aside from it being absolutely gorgeous, I was really impressed by its size and its presence because honestly I was expecting the diamonds to be a lot smaller, and while it is a dainty bracelet, it does really stand out. Now, I've been wearing this consistently over the last month and a half or so, and I love the versatility of it. It can be worn by itself for a more formal look, and then it can be stacked with other pieces for a more casual everyday look, and that is just perfect. Now, I'm going to briefly show you the other pieces in my modest but growing Linjer collection in just a minute, but if you're interested, I also have a promo code, Asha Sardar, that gives you a special offer when you shop, which you can do by clicking on the link in the description box below. And FYI, it's just a promo code, it's not an affiliate code, so I don't make anything from your purchase. The code is simply a gift to say thank you for watching. So as promised, I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of all of my Linjer jewelry pieces just to give you an idea of the variety of items they carry and some of my thoughts on them thus far. And I'll just go through them in the order in which I received them. So the first item is the Thais bezel set diamond necklace in 14 karat yellow gold. This classic style necklace features a solitaire bezel set lab grown diamond with a diameter of 3.1 millimeters. It has a carat weight of 0.115 carats, and the adjustable chain can be worn at 16, 17, or 18 inches. This design also comes in a smaller and a larger size, and all variations also come in white gold. Though personally, I prefer the 2 larger sizes for their bezel setting. The second item is also a necklace, and I have to say I wear this one a lot. It's the Caterina graduated diamond necklace in 14 karat gold. I love this piece because it can be dressed up or dressed down, so it definitely gets a lot of use. It features 7 diamonds arranged on a slightly curved bar with the largest diamond positioned in the middle. The diamonds range in size from 2 to 3 millimeters, and the total carat weight is 0.437 carats. Similar to the Thais necklace, this chain has an adjustable length and can be worn at 16, 17, or 18 inches. Also similar to the Thais necklace, this necklace does come in white gold as well, in addition to a smaller version of the necklace called the Gemma necklace. The Gemma necklace is super cute, especially if you like smaller pieces, but to be completely honest, I prefer the Caterina necklace much more. It just has more presence while still being quite dainty. Overall, I really love the diamond arrangement on this piece because it gives the necklace a very seamless and cohesive look. So the third piece is probably my most worn Linjer piece. It's now a permanent feature of my ring stack, and it's the Diamond Eternity ring in 14 karat yellow gold. And I'm going to show it to you here in conjunction with the tennis bracelet just to show you how they kind of play off of each other. But depending on the size, this ring can have 46 to 54 diamonds and weigh up to 0.378 carats total. Each diamond measures 1.1 millimeter, and the band comes in either white or yellow gold. But yeah, that is my Linjer jewelry collection, guys. Before I leave you, I just wanted to point out something about this tennis bracelet. The Half-Diamond Tennis Bracelet that I have has a chain component and it has that little dangly bit at the end. However, Linjer also makes full diamond tennis bracelets, and as you can see, they don't have that extension at the end. I know that can bother people sometimes, and I definitely do think that that chain makes the bracelet a bit more casual, whereas the end-to-end clasp on the full diamond tennis bracelet makes it a bit more cohesive. And also to note, the full length bracelet also comes in a larger size. So there's a 6.5 inch length bracelet and a 7-inch bracelet. I should also note that if you want to try something from the brand, you don't have to spend thousands or even hundreds of dollars. They have plenty of items under $100, which also makes it a super giftable brand to buy things from as well. Starting small is always a really good way to get a feel for a brand. Just like how my handbag bestie Liz says to try a small leather good when you're trying a new handbag brand, so you can get a feel for their leather and craftsmanship. I think the same concept of starting small and then working your way up depending on your experience and impressions is a really great way to approach a new brand. Anyway, that's all I have for you today, friends. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you'd like to purchase something from Linjer, remember you can use my promo code ASHASARDAR at checkout for a special offer. As always, if you have any questions, please leave them below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!